Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on Node.js. As we've gone through plenty of videos on Node.js such as user management, employee management, book management, online shopping, online pizza, movie management, job portal, event management and many more. But I told you many times when I was doing video on machine learning that I will be back with creative and informative videos on Node.js in really different style. This is the second time I am posting videos on Node.js. Second lot or maybe second part I am posting videos on Node.js. Today's video is also creative. It is all about employee management with insert and display operation with a nice GUI screen. So let us begin with the program code. First of all, I will show you the template file, which is very important. So this part hide and this thing are taken from this thing, and here placeholder and name, and so you can change the name from HTML extension to EJS template file. So it is used to display dynamic record. Now I will show you another file which will display the record. So here I taken the ID is there, name, email, contact number, designation, and this part, and this print we will see in show method, get method, in show part in get method when displaying the record. This part you will see in node file, which is very important for displaying the record. Now I will go through main node file. Loading the Express framework, then My SQL driver, expression session. Since we are accessing the database server, we need to do session management because I want to switch from one page to another page. Then hash password, then creating instance of Express, port number 30,000, then config in the sense connection string, template engine is EJS, and here since you are secret key because you are interacting with the server. Then I want to render this post method in this type, so I use update render, and here insert into employee, and after that show. So I told you here print is very important. That part we are seeing in EJS template engine file. Now I will execute the program. npm yes. A nice screen is displayed in front of you. Employee name Shahrukh Khan, enter email Shahrukh, contact number and designation CO. Yes, Shahrukh Khan has been displayed nicely. So now I will enter Anil Kapoor, front-end developer. So I successfully done with insert and display operation using Node.js with EJS template engine in really different style. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos with new and creative template engine with Node.js and CRUD operation and project using Node.js and many more. So latest update about web development, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.